Hey, what's up? You know, I have already tested EKSA wireless earbuds and a wireless headset on our channel, Tech Brothers. Now we have a new gaming headset from the same brand EKSA. The manufacturer says that it is must-have for mobile gaming because the headset is very lightweight, only 204 grams. However, you can also use this gaming headset for PC, Mac, PlayStation 4 and 5, Nintendo Switch, etc. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of the new gaming headset. By the way, it is called EKSA AirJoy Plus. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive notifications about the new videos. The new headset from EKSA looks very nice on the box. We can see its main features on the front of the box, such as environmental noise cancellation and 7.1 surround sound. On the back of the box, there is a specifications list and package list. So inside the box we have a headset itself, USB extension cable and user manual. By the way, I didn't tell you at the beginning of this video, but it is a wired headset. We will talk about advantages and disadvantages of the wired gaming headset a little later. You know, EKSA AirJoy Plus looks very nice for a budget gaming headset. By the way, you can buy it for only $35. First, it is really lightweight, only 204 grams, it feels almost nothing on the head. This is very important because it is a gaming headset and the gaming battles can last many hours. Comfort is one of the most important criteria in choosing a gaming headset. Then it has an adjustable headband. It is also important to note when choosing a headset because we all have different head sizes. Talking about earmuffs, they are soft and very comfortable. The earmuffs are also large, so they completely cover my ears. EKSA AirJoy Plus is a gaming headset, so it must have LED light. When the headset is plugged in, the external part glows red. I think it is very nice. However, if you don't like it, you cannot turn it off. The microphone is built-in and it doesn't even rotate. However, it is flexible, so you can make it closer or farther from your mouse. As I already said, this is a wired gaming headset, so the power cable is also built-in. The good news is that the power cable has USB Type-C port. It means that you can connect the headset to most smartphones and gaming consoles. If you want to connect EKSA gaming headset to PC or laptop, there is an extension cable and adapter from USB Type-C to USB-A. Talking about control, we have only volume rocker and microphone mute button. Now let's talk about advantages of a wired headset. The first and the main feature of any wired headset, including EKSA AirJoy Plus, is zero latency. You know, latency plays a very important role in games, so I don't understand people who buy the wireless Bluetooth headsets. It is better to buy a wired gaming headset, or you can get the wireless but not Bluetooth. It should be USB transmitter for 2.4 GHz wireless connection of headset. Another feature of the wired gaming headset is that you don't have to worry about battery. EKSA AirJoy Plus will never run out of power. Okay, now let's do a microphone test and then talk about sound quality. The new EKSA AirJoy Plus gaming headset has environmental noise cancellation technology and a dual mic for better calls. On this picture in user manual we can see how ENC Technology works. Hey guys, I'm testing the microphone of EKSA AirJoy Plus gaming headset. I am in my studio now, and it is a quiet place. However, I have turned on a street noise simulation on my laptop. I hope that you can hear me well. Write in the comments below, what do you think about mic quality of this gaming headset? You know, the sound quality is not the most important thing for a gaming headset, because probably you will not listen to music, but more talking to your playmates. EKSA AirJoy Plus is equipped with 40mm driver, but the headset doesn't have any bass. The volume sounds flat and dull. However, the voice is very clear. It means that the headset has a high treble setting. This is how a gaming headset should be. The volume level is very good. At maximum volume, you will not hear anything around you, but the shots and voices on your playmates in-game. So you know, EKSA AirJoy Plus is a good budget gaming headset. It is not wireless, but in my opinion, it is even a good thing for gaming headset because of the zero latency in games. It is also lightweight and very comfortable. In addition, I like the microphone quality. What else do you need from the budget gaming headset? I think it is a great for $35. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.